What happens when Toyota decides to revive a legendary utility name and transform it into a modern motorhome built not for luxury headlines, but for real-world trust? When a company known for engineering vehicles that last decades applies its philosophy to life on the road, the result is not excess. It's balance, it's intelligence, it's endurance. This is the 2026 Toyota Stout Motorhome. Toyota has never chased attention. Its vehicles earn respect quietly, mile after mile, year after year. That mindset is deeply embedded into the Stout Motorhome. This is not a rolling palace designed to sit parked more than it moves. It's a purpose-built travel machine designed for people who actually travel, who value reliability over flash, and who want a motorhome that feels dependable in every environment. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota Stout Motorhome communicates calm confidence. The design is clean, functional, and unmistakably Toyota. The front fascia carries a modern interpretation of Toyota's rugged design language, paired with efficient LED headlights that prioritize visibility over drama. The grille is optimized for cooling and airflow, ensuring consistent performance during long highway drives and steep climbs. The body proportions are balanced and well thought out. Reinforced panels provide structural strength while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency. This reduces wind resistance, improves fuel economy, and keeps the motorhome stable at highway speeds. Protective cladding, durable side steps, and underbody shielding allow the Stout to handle gravel roads, campsite trails, and uneven surfaces without hesitation. It doesn't look intimidating, but it looks capable, and that's exactly the point. Step inside, and the Stout reveals Toyota's greatest strength: intelligent design. The interior feels open, calm, and thoughtfully arranged. Rather than overwhelming the space with unnecessary decoration, Toyota focuses on functionality and comfort. Materials are chosen for durability and ease of maintenance, yet they still feel refined and welcoming. The seating area is designed to adapt. During the day, it serves as a comfortable lounge and dining space. At night, it transforms smoothly into a spacious sleeping area without complicated mechanisms. Cushions are supportive, fabrics are breathable, and the layout allows easy movement throughout the cabin. This is a living space designed for daily use, not occasional novelty. Storage is integrated everywhere, but never intrusive. Overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, wall-mounted storage, and hidden spaces allow travelers to carry essentials without cluttering the interior. Everything has a place, and everything stays secure while driving. Toyota's experience in designing practical interiors is evident in every corner. The kitchen area reflects the Stout's efficiency-first philosophy. It's compact, but fully functional. A modern cooktop, a reliable refrigerator, a sink with clean water access, and smart storage solutions allow users to prepare meals comfortably on the road. Nothing feels cramped, and nothing feels wasted. This is a kitchen designed for real travel, not showroom photos. The bathroom follows the same approach. Space-efficient yet comfortable. It includes a shower, toilet, and sink arranged to maximize usability. Ventilation and moisture management are carefully engineered, ensuring comfort during extended trips. It's not oversized, but it's dependable. And that's exactly what travelers need. Powering the 2026 Toyota Stout Motorhome is an advanced, reliability-focused drivetrain. Toyota is expected to offer a fuel-efficient gasoline engine alongside a hybrid assisted option, combining smooth performance with extended range. The focus here is not speed, but efficiency, low-stress operation, and long-term durability. This motorhome is designed to go far, not fast. The driving experience reflects Toyota's legendary smoothness. Steering is predictable and light, making the Stout easy to maneuver even for drivers new to motorhomes. Suspension tuning absorbs road imperfections, keeping the cabin stable and comfortable. Noise insulation reduces fatigue, allowing long drives to feel relaxed rather than exhausting. Whether navigating busy highways, narrow city streets, or remote camping routes, the Stout remains manageable and confidence-inspiring. It doesn't feel bulky or intimidating. It feels like a well-engineered extension of the driver. Technology inside the Stout is designed to assist, not distract. A central infotainment system provides navigation, vehicle data, energy usage, and smartphone connectivity. Controls are intuitive and easy to reach, minimizing driver distraction. USB ports, power outlets, and optional off-grid systems support modern travel needs without complexity. Driver assistance systems further enhance the experience. Adaptive cruise control reduces fatigue on long highways. Lane keeping assist adds an extra layer of safety. Collision mitigation systems help protect occupants in unpredictable situations. Cameras and sensors assist with parking, reversing, and campsite positioning, making the motorhome accessible even in tight spaces. Safety is a core pillar of Toyota engineering, and the Stout Motorhome reflects that commitment fully. High-strength construction, multiple airbags, advanced stability control, and intelligent braking systems work together to protect passengers. Toyota doesn't treat safety as an option, it's a standard expectation. Ownership is where the 2026 Toyota Stout Motorhome truly shines. Toyota's global reputation for reliability translates into lower maintenance costs, fewer unexpected repairs, and long-term peace of mind. The extensive Toyota service network ensures support almost anywhere, making this motorhome ideal for long journeys across regions or countries. Pricing is expected to remain competitive within the premium compact motorhome segment. Rather than chasing ultra-luxury price tags, Toyota focuses on value. Buyers are paying for engineering, efficiency, and longevity, not unnecessary extravagance. For travelers who plan to use their motorhome regularly, the Stout offers exceptional long-term value. Customization options allow owners to tailor the motorhome to their lifestyle. Off-grid packages with solar panels and upgraded battery systems enable extended remote travel. Interior upgrades enhance comfort and aesthetics. Outdoor accessories expand living space beyond the cabin. Every option is designed to serve a real purpose. What truly sets the 2026 Toyota Stout Motorhome apart is its philosophy. It doesn't try to be the biggest, the flashiest, or the most expensive. Instead, it aims to be the most dependable, the most efficient, and the most thoughtfully engineered motorhome in its class. This is a motorhome built for people who travel often, who explore freely, and who expect their vehicle to simply work every time. This is not about luxury for attention. This is about trust on the road. And if you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see more of the toughest, most capable, and most fascinating machines on the road, hit that like button, subscribe to Drivetrain, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next.